name is Kirandeep. Today I will be talking about noise cancellation technology. So my search topic is how would noise cancellation technology affect people in a noisy work environment, and what is the impact of it on co-workers and on public. Next. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is noise cancellation technology. So here you can see it's a noise cancellation comes in a shape of headphones which protect you from the noisy environments. And because, as you know, that noise has become a permanent parts of our lives these days, and it's around us everywhere. Like whether it's whether you are at work, train station, airports, or even like when you go for workout, leisure, or yeah, or even streets. So you find noise everywhere around you. So noise also leads to various health problems such as headaches, depressions, or anxiety. So why I chose this topic? So I chose this topic to find out that how effective are the noise cancellation headphones, and does it really work? Because this is the most popular, you can say popular question that people wants to know, because they are aware of this headphones, but they're not sure that does it really works or not. And I also want to find out that is it preventing people, like does it stop noise, and how its impact on people, and should people really start using it or no. So to find out these questions answers, I will be carrying out primary and secondary and different kind of research methodology. I would like you to see this video to find out more about this technology. Right? Take one, please. Yeah. So these are advertised by the Sony company headphones, where they're actually telling you what are these headphones for, and then where you can use them and how protected they are. Anyways?
You need sound for the video?
Yeah, please.
See if it plays now.
That's fine, I can explain it.
You can explain it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So basically they're saying that the battery of these headphones are up to 20 hours, and then you can use it whether it's park or on streets.
I can, I think, get it. No. Just go ahead.
Yeah. So you can talk normally without like removing the headphones, because there's a function that you can, when you press it, then it connects you to the world. Right. It's also wireless, so you don't need to worry about the cables or anything. Next slide. So this is my secondary research. I will explain you that how the noise cancellation headphones work. So here you can see the incoming sounds that which is whatever is like if it's from train or from any or bus engines, it goes to this section where the sound is picked up by microphone, and it sends to the noise cancellation system where the noise cancellation circuitry convert waves and send it back to the headphone speakers, where then you can see a yeah, original ambient sounds and newly added waveforms cancel and each other out. So you can hear people without any other extra noise. Next one. So this is another scanner search where you can see the people's view and feedback about the noise cancellation. I found this information from the blog and websites where people they post their own questions and look for the answers. So here, as you can see here, one of the person they asked like, do noise cancellation headphones block human speech? So it's their question. So I've tracked my scan research from here, and even these you can see that people posted the pros and cons, advantage and disadvantage of these using these headphones. Even here you can see that people they talk about the wireless noise cancellation headphones like what is this, and they giving deep information about this. You can go and find it from there. So for my primary research, I interviewed with the people who are using these headphones, and I've also done the service, online service, where I asked question about this, what is related to my search topic that I want to find out. So I've asked them like, I asked people that do you use noise cancellation? So 60% of people they using they said yes, they're using noise cancellation technology, and I've also asked them like, where do you like often use these headphones to find out that find out. So most 50% of people they use it at work and traveling. So higher volume is for work, study, and traveling and leisure. Most of people using that side. I've also asked like how likely they think that it's good health and safety wise. So as you can see, 41% of the saying that it's very good health and safety wise. But yeah, from 33% are saying they are not satisfied with it. But highest volume is like the most of them they are agree that yeah it's good for health and safety wise. And I also asked them that do they really think it, like it makes them focus and be more productive? So as you can see, that 55% are saying yes, they are agreeing with it. I've also asked them that like, is it ideal for studying as well? So as you can see, like most of people are saying yes and they agree with it. So conclusion. So as after going through my research, primary research, secondary and other research, I've come to the point that yes, most of people are agree and they are happy with it, and then they're saying the the headphone version, these headphones are effective and it works. So, and they are recommending other people as well to use it. Thank you so much. Any question and answer?
Any questions?
I have a question. You listed a lot of what noise cancellation technology, how it's used, and the positives of it. So it helps you in busy places to listen more quietly. But what about some of the negatives of the technology? There must be something that's not good about it.
About these headphones.
Noise cancellation technology.
No, as I've been to the survey, there was less negative reviews there, yeah, but just only some of them they said like yeah, when they wear it for a long time, then they got slightly headaches.
I think one of the negatives is that sometimes if you put on the headphones and like you cross the road, you can't hear the car coming, you know. So
Yeah.
that is kind of one of the negatives. Do you think?
No, but there's one this system in the headphone that it reduces the extra they shouldn't be there. So, but you can hear normal sounds of humans. Yeah.
My question about what triangulation model did you use for your research? For
Sorry?
example, you showed us primary research, secondary research, but anyway, always very good brands for me. You should have some regulation which you can check what is maximum level or minimum level. So special document, special law standards should be regulated. Did you use research or maybe found?
Yeah. But you can just go on the website and then look for it. I didn't really get it. What did you actually
But
mean?
I think what he's asking is, your sources of information. How do you know that it's true? You whether or not this is really if the technology is really beneficial. So you got some, I guess you got some opinions from people through
Yeah.
some
I had
some
it-
research, but then you also you got some information direct from a manufacturer, like from Sony itself.
Yeah.
So Sony is going to speak highly of their own products. Was there any other sources of information that you had used in order to verify whether or not the products were in fact as good as Sony claims them to be? So I think I saw maybe that you had some type of reviews.
Yeah, there are lots of products as well. It's not necessary that you need to use Sony's product, but yeah, I've used. As I said, I've interviewed some people who are already using it. So so they said yeah.
So then through your reviews, through the documentation on their website, and did you have I saw some type of reviews. Were those customer reviews, or were they from some independent website?
Some of them are customer reviews, like actually from the website, like the people who sell it, organizations that who sell these headphones. Took some screenshot from there, who commented and who said that is good product or no. And some of the screenshot I took it like from the blogs where people are discussing about this technology.
Okay, yeah, those weren't easy to see.
Yeah.
But does that help to answer your question?
Thank you.
Yeah, that was I remember seeing your clips
Yeah.
from those websites, but from our distance, we can't really, there was a readability issue there, so we couldn't really see what was going on with that.
Sorry for that. I've just used that as example to explain properly that what is this technology about and how it works.
Okay.
Yep.
So it actually the headphones generate some type of frequency
Yeah.
that counteracts other frequencies. So how does it know which frequencies to block and which frequencies to let pass through? That seems seems like a very tricky thing to do.
No, but it's something built in it's secretly called, it's a system called, it's built in the headphones, which, I don't know what, which detect which noise needs to cancel and,
Okay. Well, I guess we'd have to learn more about that. Does anybody here have any of this style of headphone?
I use those kinds of headphones.
And do they allow certain sounds to pass through and certain sounds to?
Only when I'm on the tube it blocks out a lot of 90% of the noise, but only the 10% which is really really loud. So if the train's going over the rails or something, then it creates noise.
With
Then
the wheels?
really loud noises. It's not.
So it doesn't let just any.
Specialized
It-
enough.
It cancels out pretty much most outside noise.
90% of the noise. Yeah.
Okay. Not like it's like, it blocks out cars on the street, but you can still hear somebody that's talking to you or anything. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, can't differentiate between different types of noises. Yeah, I think
Okay. All right. Any other questions?
In the ethical aspects of your research, have you met some problems during the design and collection phase?
Um, no, yeah, but like I just told you, I've been interviewed, but they said they haven't faced any problem at the moment till now. But they just, as I said before, they just, sometimes when they wait for a long time, then they get slightly headaches. That's it.
Did it say in your presentation how many people were surveyed, or from what professions that they're from? Anything that can help us to understand who was?
I haven't included in my presentation, but after a career survey up to 20, 30 people, 25 people, and they are from the organization who are using these headphones.
So what, they work for for Sony?
No, they don't work for Sony, but they work in that environment where it's so noisy.
A noisy environment.
Noisy environment, and they use those headphones.
Okay, well, make sure that you include all of your primary research collection in your final submission of your documentation and all that stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right, well, is there anything else? Are we okay with this? All right, well then, we will conclude. Thank you, Kieran.
Thank you.